next awardee for Karnataka Business Awards 2021 is Any Help Communication LLP. And to do the honors, may I please request Mr. Usman Sharif to come forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next awardee joining us on stage to receive the KTCC Karnataka Business Awards 2021 is My Ewe Help. Please put your hands together. Give a huge round of applause to them. The women power joining us on stage. Come on, everyone. They deserve a bigger round of applause.
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. First one here, second. Cheers to the women entrepreneurs out there. Come on, audience, put your hands together and give a huge round of applause to a very talented two women entrepreneurs out here.
Congratulations to this women entrepreneurs present on stage. Well, you know what, I wouldn't take the opportunity to lose out interacting with you women, because we've heard a lot of men talking except for Roshni. A couple of energizing words, what you have been doing, and some motivational words to most of the youngsters and all present out here. Either of you could address the gathering.
Good afternoon all. Myself Pooja. I'm a managing director of Any Help Communication. And with the respect, see, I just have one question for the business man. Lockdown in Madhuri. So anyone can answer on the stage? Lockdown business, how was your business? I have one question. Sorry? 24 months, okay. So, actually businessman enandre, we are from IT background. IT background idaga ee 2 years nam business go effect agutte anta 4 days in lockdown alli ನಾವು office na close ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. But 5th day we didn't close our office. Any Help started in this lockdown with the essential service. So, sorry? Okay, I'll just answer this. What we are doing anta heli. So, Any Help ನಾವು ಏನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ Any Help ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ಂಟ್ ಶಟ್ ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಏನೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನೇ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶಟ್ ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಂಟೇನಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ದ ಟ್ರೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್. So Any Help started in this 2019, first lockdown after 5 days. So thank you.
Brilliant. So with what you said, the saying goes right. When the times get tough, the tough get going. And you are the perfect example for that. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for the tough women present amongst us on stage. God bless you. And thank you for inspiring the men and the women out here. Thank you so much.